started playing around with the natural artisan flavors.
Artisans, yep.
First and foremost, the thing that's the best in my mind is just the consistency of sugar content. Like knowing that I can pick up any of these products and that I'm always going to have the same dosing rate for my recipe. We can cut the beer with simple syrup and then the natural artisan flavors, which then give us this perfectly balanced, every time the same sugar content. That's what matters the most, because what we want is consistency in the way it freezes. The flavors can change, but we don't want to have to question if this batch is going to freeze the same as the other.
So what's your dosing process for using the artisan and the beer and the simple syrup?
Yeah, so what we're doing right now, we're using about 2 gallons of beer to about 30 ounces of this pre-batch simple syrup natural artisan combo.
So a little of the flavor is going a long way with that 2 gallons of beer.
Yeah, little goes a really long way.
Can you talk a little bit about what having the beer slushies with the artisans has done to your tasting room sales and the different customers it might bring in?
Who doesn't like, really fruity, slushy like beers? Like that's a really cool thing. A lot of it helps with like the visual too, that you see this like bright orange frozen slushy walking through, bright blue, bright red, like the colors from the fruit also help accentuate it. Did a pina colada, blending the coconut cream and the pineapple together. Yeah. The versatility of then blending multiple flavors, but also still being able to extract then a new flavor combination. Right. The ability to kind of change that up gives us so much fun and play for special occasions, special events, long weekends, things where we can then say, hey, we're going to change out for these fun flavors for one weekend, and then we're going to bring back in, maybe what's the mainstay at that time.